In this video, I'm about to show you how to approve a sign-in request on the Microsoft Authenticator app. First, look at the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. Then tap the plus icon shown at the top right corner. After that, choose the Continue option to proceed. In the next step, select Personal Account from the options. Now, tap on Sign in with Microsoft. Here, add your email address associated with Microsoft Teams and hit Next. After this, enter your password and tap on Sign in. You'll receive a verification code in your provided email. Then go to your email account to get the code. Now enter the verification code sent to your email and hit Verify. Next, tap on Allow to grant the necessary permission. Following that, navigate to your phone settings. Make sure the toggle is turned on for the Microsoft Authenticator app to enable permissions. After that, go back to the app and tap Go to Authenticator. Now tap the plus icon again in the top right corner to add teams. This time, choose either Google, Facebook, etc. as the account type. In the next step, use your device's camera to scan the QR code provided by Microsoft Teams. You can manually enter the account name and secret key if a QR code is not available. Once you've completed these steps, you'll approve a sign-in request on the Microsoft Authenticator app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.